Axie Infintiy value equivalent to $7.682 a coin. The present exchange cost range $7.22 and $30.740 611. The earlier day close $7.40 177. The change was 0.495 to 67%. Opposite rate US to Axie. Dollar to Axie Infintiy estimate for August 2024. To start with, cost at 124 coins. Exorbitant costs are 158, while lows to 124. The found the middle value of costs are 138. The US to Axie estimate toward the month's ends on 147. Change for August 18.5%. US to Axie expectation for September 2024. At the outset, cost at 147 coins. Excessive costs are 147, while lows are 121. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 136. The US to Axie conjecture toward the month's ends are 130. Change for September 11.6%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy conjecture for October 2024. In the first place, cost at 130 coins. Exorbitant costs are 130, while lows are 105. The found the middle value of costs are 119. The US to Axie gauge toward the month's ends are 112. Change for October 13.8%. US to Axie expectation for November 2024. In the first place, cost at 112 coins. Exorbitant costs are 116, while lows are 101. The found the middle value of costs are 109. The US to Axie gauge toward the month's ends on 108. Change for November 3.6%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy figure for December 2024. Initially cost at 108 coins. Excessive costs are 108, while lows are 87. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 99. The US to Axie figure toward the month's ends are 93. Change for December 13.9%. US to Axie expectation for January 2025. Initially cost at 0.93 coins. Excessive costs are 93, while lows are 75. The arrived at the midpoint of cost on 86. The US to Axie gauge toward the month's ends on 81. Change for January 12.9%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy gauge for February 2025. To start with, cost at 0.81 coins. Exorbitant costs from 81, while lows are 65. The found the middle value of cost 74. The US to Axie gauge toward the month's ends are 69. Change for February 14.8%. US to Axie expectation for Walk 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.69 coins. Excessive costs 74, while lows are 65. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.69. The US to Axie conjecture toward the month's ends are 69. Change for spring 0%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy conjecture for April 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.69 coins. Excessive costs are 71, while lows are 62. The arrived at the midpoint of cost are 67. The US to Axie conjecture toward the month's ends are 66. Change for April 4.3%. US to Axie expectation for May 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.66 coins. Exorbitant costs 71, while lows end 62. The found the middle value of cost is 66. The US to Axie gauge toward the month's ends was 66. Change for May 0%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy gauge for June 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.66 coins. Excessive costs and 69, while lows and 60. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 65. The US to Axie conjecture toward the month's ends and 64. Change for June 3%. US to Axie expectation for July 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.64 coins. Excessive costs are 66, while lows end 58. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 63. The US to Axie conjecture toward the month's ends end 62. Change for July 3.1%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy estimate for August 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.62 coins. Exorbitant costs are 65, while lows in 57. The found the middle value of cost 61. The US to Axie estimate toward the month's end 61. Change for August 1.6%. US to Axie expectation for September 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.61 coins. Exorbitant costs 63, while lows end 55. The found the middle value of cost 60. The US to Axie estimate toward the month's end Zen 59. Change for September 33%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy estimate for October 2025. Before all else cost at 0.59 coins. Excessive costs 73, while lows are at 59. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 65. The US to Axie figure toward the month's end 0.68. Change for October 15%. US to Axie expectation for November 2025. Before all else cost at 0.68 coins. Excessive costs are 68, while lows earn 54. The arrived at the midpoint of cost are 62. The US to Axie figure toward the month's end 0.58. Change for November 14.7%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy conjecture for December 2025. At the outset cost at 0.58 coins. Excessive costs earn 73, while lows earn 58. The arrived at the midpoint of cost are 64. The US to Axie conjecture toward the month's ends are 68. Change for December 17.2%. US to Axie expectation for January 2026. At the outset cost at 0.68 coins. Excessive costs to 87, while lows are 68. The arrived at the midpoint of cost are 76. The US to Axie conjecture toward the month's ends on 80. Change for January 17.6%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy conjecture for February 2026. In the first place cost at 0.80 coins. Exorbitant costs are 103, while lows are on 80. The found the middle value of cost are on 90. The US to Axie estimate toward the month's end 0.96. Change for February 20%. US to Axie expectation for Walk 2026. First and foremost cost at 0.96 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.116, while lows are on 96. The found the middle value of costs 0.104. The US to Axie estimate toward the month's end 0.108. Change for spring 12.5%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy estimate for April 2026. To start with cost at 0.108 coins. Exorbitant costs are 138, while lows are 108. The found the middle value of costs are 121. The US to Axie estimate toward the month's end 0.28. Change for April 18.5%. US to Axie expectation for May 2026. In the first place cost at 0.128 coins. Excessive costs are 128, while lows are 103. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 118. The US to Axie figure toward the month's ends are 111. Change for May 13.3%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy figure for June 2026. Initially cost at 111 coins. Excessive costs are 111, while lows are on 89. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 102. The US to Axie figure